Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing a unit for you guys. I'm excited about today's unit because I really like this color. Like, this color looks freaking gorgeous on the model, so I'm really excited to see what the color is about to look like on me. Before I get into the review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, guys. Today's video that I'm going to be doing is on the Outre melted hairline lace front wig, and in today's unit I have it in the color DR2/CINSP, which I believe is cinnamon spice. I'm looking for the name of the wig because I actually don't know what the name of it is. Oh, it's the melted hairline Catalina unit, and I got it from Elevate Style. So if you guys are interested in seeing what today's unit looks like and what it's like, then continue to watch. Alright guys, so what I can already tell in the unit is that it comes with an an elastic headband, so you can have a little bit of security. They cut the ends of the back of the unit so that way you can have less tangling. They have some adjustable straps, a comb, and two combs in the front. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, it is one of the melted hairline, natural hairline, so this is what the construction of the unit looks like. It has more of a natural frontal type of hairline, and then you have the rest of your cap there in the middle of the making of your unit. So the way this unit looks like it has been sent first is, excuse me, I thought that the unit was going to be like one of those units that you could freestyle with. I was wrong, but I like that it has like a very natural parting space. This parting space looks nice and open, and then also it also can be only worn on your right side. So I'm guessing the right side of parts is very common, because I feel like the last few wigs that I reviewed have all been made that way, and you can only wear your parting space on your right. So no versatility. So this lace, I noticed it has more of like a olive tint to it. Not saying it's a bad thing, but it just has like an olive tint. So it is tinted. It's just not as brown as I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and take this elastic band, pull it over. Not playing with the adjustable straps. Ooh, this color is gorgiana. Ooh, and this wig is tight. This wig is tight as hell. Oh my god. Yo, I just struggled to get this wig on. It is. Got the natural hairline. So you guys, you probably can give yourself like some baby hairs if you want. I'm going to push it behind my ear because that's like a style I love. I love pushing my hair behind my ear, and I feel like since it has this natural hairline, it's going to make that easier to do. Now, when I showed you guys the hairline or the parting space before I put this on, you saw how visible it was, but right now it's not looking very visible. So I'm going to go ahead with my powder and add some. First things first, guys, I love the color of this wig. This color is freaking beautiful. I'm getting a little closer so you guys can see how gorgeous this color is. It's like the perfect like cinnamon, crimson, orange, burnt orange vibes. I just wish my part could be over here on this side, because I feel like I would love the style more if it was on this side. Like, for some reason this side just looks awkward to me on me. I would say it's a good unit because of this natural hairline. I really do like the fact that a lot of these synthetic units are really putting like natural hairlines into their wigs, because that seems to be like the really important factor today with wearing wigs. I know it is to me, is to make it look as realistic as possible. So I really appreciate the fact that they're really working on that and making that natural hairline more affordable, so you don't always have to go the human hair route and spend $300, $400, $500 on a wig just to have your hair look natural. Okay, so this is one that is affordable and gives you different color options for still a good price value. Okay, now I don't have any cons about it. My personal con is that I wish it was free part. so I could part it wherever I want to. That's my personal con. There isn't any shedding going on. I like the style. I like the length. It's an appropriate length. I like the color. I like the style. The curls are beautiful. I want to give you guys like a full view so you can see exactly how she looks. It's really beautiful. It's definitely not so big head friendly. Okay, maybe that's the con I have. Not so big head friendly. When I got to the front, like the cap of the front, it was like, what the heck? I was like pulling real hard. It was not trying to come off, basically. But I'm gonna get into this natural hairline for you guys. As you can see, you know how I was talking about how it had like that olive tone to it. You can see like the two different colors on my skin tone right here. It just has like olive tone to it, but nonetheless the natural hairline still makes up for it because it just looks more realistic here. And if you were to add your own little baby hairs, probably will look even more realistic. I don't want you to necessarily think though that you have to have baby hairs. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, check out the description box below for you to get you one of these wigs, as well as to shop my site for the wigs that I am selling. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys. If you have questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.